Hello, this is Bobby Elwell, Redwood Valley Middle School principal, and thank you for joining me for a few minutes while I explain what the RVMS distance learning plan is going to look like for your student. Our distance learning timeline is as follows. We're using today, November 23rd, and tomorrow, November 24th, as staff planning days to prepare for the transition to distance learning. November 25th is still going to be a half-day staff development day as originally changed in the October school board meeting. Starting Monday, November 30th, and running through Friday, December 11th, our students will be in our distance learning model, kindergarten through 12th grade. This includes all 5th through 8th grade students. As of right now, we are planning to return to hybrid learning on Monday, December 14th. However, this decision could change pending the COVID committee decision earlier that week. Some main overviews for distance learning is that all students will receive live instruction each day for all scheduled class periods. Student schedules will be as follows. Our opt-out distance learning students will keep the schedule that they have had throughout the school year so far. If a student is out on quarantine or isolation and had their schedule changed due to this, they will be going back to their in-person schedule. We are making this change to help even out class sizes back to their original size. Some expectations that we will have for students and for staff as well. Students will be logging in at the beginning of all assigned class periods. Their teachers will be available through live communication the entire period. Teachers may choose to let students go for their work time. We'll talk about the schedule here in a few slides, but teachers may choose to keep students for a portion of the class for instruction and let them go to work on assignments during portions of that class. Live links for all classes will be posted in Schoology, either through Google Meets, Zoom, or Schoology Conference. An overview of the 5th and 6th grade schedule. Students will be receiving live teaching all day, every day. They will have math or language arts live on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and live science and social studies Tuesday and Thursday. On Tuesday and Thursday, students will also have posted math and language arts assignments to complete for those two classes. Students will go live every day for specialists, and then music will be communicated by the choir and band directors. There will be no choir for 5th and 6th grade, only general music. In the afternoon, there's a 1-hour block for win time. Win time is what we need, or what I need, for students to succeed. This time will be scheduled by teachers, and that will be communicated by your 5th and 6th grade teachers. The 7th and 8th grade schedule is now on the screen. Students will be going live for all of their block 1 through 4 classes, specialists, and then again music as communicated by the music department. There will be 7th and 8th grade choir, so if you are in choir and band, please plan and look for that communication from your directors. Students will be expected to show up live for all classes at their assigned time, all 5 days a week. Again, staff members may choose to keep students longer or shorter on days depending on what they are doing. There will be work time built into classes to help us balance the time of screen time and work time for our students. Also on the schedule, you'll see staff office hours. This is for 5th through 8th grade, specialists, and our choir and band directors. This time is meant as open time for you as families, parents, and students to communicate with our staff members to help receive support during distance learning. Home-based expectations will depend on the grade level that your student is in. Students will receive direction from home-based from their home-based teachers. 5th and 6th grade is expected to go live every day. 7th and 8th grade will be going live on Tuesdays only for ramp-up, with other activities communicated by your teachers. During home-based time, we have ramp-up and digital citizenship. These schedules will be communicated to students, and the expectations will be communicated to students by their home-based teachers. This information will be found in your Block 1 classes. Win time is the daily intervention time that students will be scheduled during that 1 to 2 p.m. block for 5th and 6th grade students. 7th and 8th grade students, this time will be worked into your classes throughout the week. Teachers will schedule and communicate win-time meetings with students. Students are expected to attend if they are scheduled. This time can be used for many different things, and students should expect to get scheduled for this time throughout the week. Student expectations during distance learning. Our student cameras need to be on so they can be engaging with their peers and the teachers during classes. They need to be in a productive learning environment, either at a table or desk if possible. Students are expected to be engaged during class time and to participate with their classes, peers, and teachers both. Microphones should remain muted unless directed to unmute. Your sound should be on so you can hear the teacher's explanations. Please make sure you are wearing school-appropriate clothes and that you are in a school-appropriate background. Check Schoology and emails regularly for communication from teachers. And students must be at live classes at the beginning of classes and stay until they are dismissed by their teacher. Finally, what or where to go if you need help. If you have class-specific questions for your teachers, you need to contact those teachers directly. They're the experts, and they're going to be able to answer your questions the best. For general questions regarding distance learning or attendance, please contact the RVMS office at 507-644-8206. For technology support, you have two options, one through email at helpdesk@redwoodareaschools.com or through phone at 507-644-3513. As we transition to distance learning, we're excited about the opportunity to continue to work with our students and continue to offer a world-class education for our students. Please reach out when you need help and make sure that you are doing what we can to help support students and help support the community so we can return to in-person learning as soon as possible. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. Thank you.